What is going on, guys? Blackbird here, and today we will be reviewing the Zhuque X05 Change It Yourself mechanical keyboard. Guys, this is the Zhuque X05 Change It Yourself mechanical keyboard. I've just finished cleaning it. It took me about 2 hours and cleaning the keycaps and all that stuff. See right there. Clean now. Come on, focus. Yeah, there. So it is a blue switch mechanical keyboard. It's not a Cherry MX. It's a Cherry clone. It's a Cherry clone mechanical keyboard switch. It's I think it's the Gatoro blue switch. It's a clone of the Cherry MX. It's very tactile. So there are given switches in the box. All these are all Gatoro clones. This is a red switch, the brown switch, another blue switch, and the black switch. The black switch is like stiffer version of the red switch, and the brown switch is another stiffer version of the blue switch, but it's not clicky. The brown switch is not clicky. Let's move on. So this is a full alloy mechanical keyboard. As you can see, it's metal over here with metal branding of the Zhuque. Full metal backplate, plastic flip-up feet with sadly no rubber tip, both flip up, and 2 rubber grips. So let's give you a typing test. This is the first key. And the full sentence. Let's go to the lighting effects. First things first, FN and the Windows key locks the Windows key. That's the locked Windows key when it's lit up. And turn it off. So FN and F9 brings you to the set of modes, of lighting modes. This is the first mode. This is the highest brightness. It's not flickering in real life. It's only flickering in the camera. This is still the same, lowest brightness, max brightness. So yeah, this is the first lighting mode. This is the second one. Yeah, it's a breathing mode. Pressing this can alter the effect of the mode. Pressing minus can slower the breathing effect. Pressing plus can make the breathing effect faster. Well, it's on mode. It's not flickering in real life, but I don't know, my camera's broken. Third mode is this. It's kind of like a reactive typing mode. Every time you click a switch, click a key, it lights up. Fourth lighting mode is kind of another reactive type of mode, but this kind of mode is like when you press a key, the light goes off. fifth lighting mode is kind of a wave pattern. Sixth lighting mode is another wave, but it's a full color wave. I can make this faster. Again, with the plus and minus, you can make this faster or slower. It's your choice. This is the max brightness of the effect. Lowest brightness as usual. And last mode is kind of a pattern thing. So you can do anything with it. It's that kind of pattern. So yeah. And one more. There's also modes for this. There's an FPS mode. Wait, that's an FPS mode. You also have RTS modes for MOBA, Dota, LOL, all that stuff. So yeah, that's it. It has key rollover and it's a TKL keyboard. It's really nice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe for more videos. Peace out, yo.